Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. This is my special way for making a great Arayes sandwich. Let me show you how, and let's get started. This recipe cannot be simpler. You're gonna start with 2 pounds of beef. I'm using here 1 pound of chuck beef and 1 pound of sirloin. You can use 2 pounds of chuck, no problem. You're gonna add salt and black pepper. You're gonna chop half a tomato very finely. I'm doing everything by hand, but you can absolutely use the food processor for this. Don't forget to watch my previous video I did on a great salad that's gonna be perfect with this pita Arayes. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my recipes. In the bowl it goes. And now I'm gonna chop half an onion, and I'm mixing a quarter sweet onion and a quarter red onion because I love to use red onion. Chop it very finely as well. And now I'm gonna chop a handful of parsley, and I'm gonna add a little bit of jalapeno peppers or any spicy pepper that you like. Remove some of the seeds if you don't like it to be too spicy. And this is one of those recipes that's gonna smell amazing the minute you start grilling the meat and the bread. So that little bit of chopping is so worth it. And just to add a little bit of zing to the flavor, you can add some pomegranate molasses and a little bit of chili paste. And for your convenience, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. All I have to do now is mix very well. This is ready. I'm gonna show you what the next step is. And to get the nice crispy effect Arayes are famous for, you're gonna wanna use a great pita bread. Fresh is best. You're gonna wanna spread a thin layer of butter, room temperature butter, and then a generous amount of the meat. You can skip the butter if you don't wanna add more fat. Add another layer of bread, and then you're gonna press it using a panini machine. I've tried to cook Arayes so many ways on top of the grill, on top of the griddle, but really a press machine is the way to go. You will get the perfect results. I love this George Foreman machine. I've had it for years and I love it. Look at those beautiful grill marks. You'll be able to tell it's ready when the meat is cooked all the way through. And here I'll do another one for you. Stuff it with lots of meat. And please use a high fat content meat. It's gonna make all the flavor and all the mess as well. I wish there's a way you can smell this, but you can absolutely try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments box below. I'm gonna serve this with a salad, but you can serve it with fries, and some pickles will be very nice. These are best served right then and there. I hope you give them a try soon, and until next time, bon appétit!